I'm trying to explain this to you now. This was the mother rock I showed you about in the first video. What makes a galaxy? It starts out as a ring of planets. Looks just like that. As the ring of planets begins to shrink into a smaller one. Ring of planets down, gravity continues to shrink it. It's spinning fast, it's getting smaller and smaller. It takes on the shape of a globe, but in this globe, the center is hollow. There's nothing there. This is how it forms. No gravity in the center. Gravity is in the mass of the object all around the outside, just like here. Cut through the mother rock, this is what you see, a big donut torus shape. In the center of it, gravity pulls where the mass is in the center of the object. This closes into a chamber inside with hollow areas on both sides. When it gets a charge of antimatter, it starts blowing out two plasma jets either side. And this is what creates a galaxy. The mother rock turns into an irregular galaxy that blows out a jet, then turns into a barred spiral. You can see that, how it becomes a barred spiral across there. That barred spiral begins turning and turns into a spiral, small spiral and large spiral. Goes back through the cycle all over again. As it does this, down by the mother rock, at the bottom of it, you'll see right in here, as that plasma jet starts to blow back over the rock, you'll see molten lava, bugs that turning into planets, new planets coming off the rock, stars blowing out of this area. Just like here. You got stars and gas planets coming out of this area, the plasma jet coming out of the mother rock. And on the bottom of it, you got all that liquid magma and lava turning into planets, just roll right off into space. They get covered with ice. Any planets and stars and all that shit right there in that spiral bar spiral galaxy. Now this is what they look like. Alright, you got Mars and the moon, all of them have the spiral shape and show you an indentation where it is. And those are all planets that rolled right off this mother rock. And here's a lousy picture from the center of the galaxy. We've got better ones, I've got newer ones. But basically what you have right here is mother rock inside an electrical field. Here's a plasma jet blowing back at us. Ha ha. And all these objects, Herbig, Hyro objects, all these other ones they see in space, that's a mother rock in the center blowing out plasma either way. How do I know that? Well, look right here. Orion. You know what Orion is? You see it up in the night sky. Got a nebula right there in the sword. Here's the nebula. And here's way down deep inside that nebula. And right there is a mother rock spinning around and around. Started forming here, around in the arc and this way. And what you can't see in that picture, but you can see in this picture, the same mother rock. Right here. Spinning, blowing out a plasma jet. Big old ball of plasma. You look over here at different pictures of that plasma, you can see all these little spots in there. All those little dots in that picture actually match up with all the stars right here. So those little globes you see that they say are anomalies, those are actually newborn stars coming out of that plasma jet, coming out of this mother rock, starting a new galaxy in Orion. How's that? Bite my ass, Neil deGrasse Tyson, blow it out your ass. You got one coming. Elon Musk, you need to see this shit. This is real. Big Bang isn't. Nothing else is real. This is real. This is a new galaxy. On top of it, you see these lines through here look like layers of glass? Those are lines of magnetism following and circling around right here. There's the arc coming from all this. I'll see you later on. If you look right here, you can see a line cutting right through the mist right there. And a line cutting right through right there. Those are these layers crossed. And right there where the layers cross, there's a bright object. The trapezium. Those are not stars. Those are refractions on these layers. Nothing more. They're not even real. Now look over here. Here's a picture of that right here. Enlarge it and look. Oh, M42, M43 back there. Another nebula. Guess what? That's a reflection of the back of this. Take a good look at that and see that, because you're going to be seeing that through all these works. Reflections everywhere. So now you have it, folks. New mother rock right there in the middle of Orion Galaxy. New mother rock explains where all the planets, stars, everything comes from. Next, I'll show you where solar systems. I'll go out and I'll show you where the life comes from. I'll take it from life to the atom. Stay tuned, folks. More to come.